48 Laws of Power. Law number 2, make people depend on you. Means become so skilled and reliable that people can't replace you. Imagine you joined a large company as a junior designer. At first, you are average like others, but after some time you noticed a problem. You noticed that whenever your company needs a quick presentation, there is no one who can make it look polished. Now, you simply started learning storytelling, design, and presentation software in the best way possible. And it works. You become the worker in the company in terms of designing presentation. You also starts organizing messy files, fixing last-minute slides, and helping coworkers. Slowly, your coworkers and even your seniors starts depending on you. The manager starts calling you when the deadlines are tight. Other departments also starts asking for your help, because they know only you can do it. That's why you get promotions very quickly and you become very respected person in the company. This makes you a valuable asset for the company, which it never want to lose. So, this is it for the video. I hope you are enjoying this series and learning from it. I will make more parts also, so if you want to grow psychologically, then subscribe the channel and join us in the journey. And hit a like if this video is helpful. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.